Top 5 Best Walkout Power Tower. Number 5. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower. This power tower from RELIFE Rebuild Your Life supports up to 330 pounds, thanks to its sturdy, ergonomically designed, heavy-duty steel frame. Its humanized design features high-quality PU pads for elbow protection and to reduce pressure on your spine, and also comes with 9 height options between 58.5 to 89 inches. The power tower can support all kinds of exercises, from pull-ups to dips, and push-ups to knee raises. You won't need to worry about stability, as it's fitted with anti-slip rotatable suction feet, which can be adjusted and tightened to grip the ground tightly. And it also comes with a safety lock nut, which once fitted, secures the power rack in place and prevents movement in case of vibration. Coming in number 4. Stamina Power Tower. The next best power tower to buy is by Stamina. This all-in-one solution offers users the ability to build a healthy and robust physique by performing several core exercises, like pull-ups, chin-ups, leg raises, and push-ups. Its compact, vertical design comes with multiple grip options and padded loops so you can perform hanging leg raises in comfort. The dip bars can be adjusted up or down, and the power tower is fitted with anti-skid end caps to stabilize it during your workout. If you're looking for a simple, no-nonsense power rock that gets the job done, then you won't go wrong with Stamina's. Coming in number 3. Gold's Gym XR Power Tower. The Gold's Gym XR Power Tower is another great option if you like to keep things simple. It comes with a multi-grip pull-up bar and a push-up and dip station, so you'll be able to hit the majority of muscle groups in a single workout. The power tower has padded hand grips and thick foam elbow pads and back cushions, which will make performing laborious exercises much more enjoyable. Use the multi-grip pull-up bar to build your back, biceps, and abs, while also growing your triceps, shoulders, and chest using the dip and push-up stations. Coming in number 2. Livebest Power Tower. Livebest's power tower supports up to 600 pounds, thanks to its high-quality square-tube steel frame. You can expect to find a comfortable back cushion and 2 elbow pads, made from high-quality thick foam, which will reduce pressure on your spine and decrease your risk of injury. 4 non-slip rubber foot pads ensure the power tower remains stable during exercises, and you'll be able to choose from 8 levels of adjustable height options. It supports up to 325 pounds, weighs approximately 55 pounds, and is easy to set up, thanks to detailed assembly instructions included in the box. Enjoy various exercises like pull-ups, dips, and leg raises using this power tower from Livebest. Coming in number 1. Sportsroyals Power Tower. Sportsroyals Power Tower is built with a 14-gauge heavy-duty square steel frame and covered with a scratch-resistant powder coat finish. 8 additional support points add even more stability, which helps it bear the weight of up to 400 pounds. You'll get PU pads for elbow protection, padded foam back cushions, and angled arm rests that are inclined toward the inside of the rack to prevent your arms slipping out during a set. The pull-up bar's height can be adjusted from 68.7 to 81.3 inches, and the back cushion comes with 7 adjustable settings to secure the perfect distance. Push-ups, pull-ups, and dips are just a few of the main exercises you'll be able to do with this power tower,